Match the letters. हरूफ को मिलाइए. Dear children, now we learn to match the letters. प्यारे बच्चों, अब हम हरूफ को मिलाना सीखते हैं. We shall match the capital letters with the small letters. हम बड़े हरूफ को छोटे हरूफ के साथ मिलाएंगे. This is capital letter I. Now we search small letter I in the second row. J, L, N, I. Yes, this is small letter I. So we match capital letter I with small letter I. This is capital letter J. There is first small letter J in the second row. Yes, this is small letter J. So we match capital letter J with small letter J. This is capital letter K. Now we search small letter K in the second row. J, L, N, I, P, R, Q, O, M, K. Yes, this is small letter K. So we match capital letter K with small letter K. This is capital letter L. Now we search small letter L in the second row. J, L. Yes, this is small letter L. So we match capital letter L with small letter L. This is capital letter M. Now we search small letter M in the second row. J, L, N, I, P, R, Q, O, M. Yes, this is small letter M. So we match capital letter M with small letter M. This is capital letter N. Now we search small letter N in the second row. J, L, N. Yes, this is small letter N. So we match capital letter N with small letter N. This is capital letter O. Now we search small letter O in the second row. J, L, N, I, P, R, Q, O. Yes, this is small letter O. So we match capital letter O with small letter O. This is capital letter P. Now we search small letter P in the second row. J, L, N, I, P. Yes, this is small letter P. So we match capital letter P with small letter p. This is capital letter Q. Now we search small letter Q in the second row. J, L, N, I, P, R, Q. Yes, this is small letter Q. So we match capital letter Q with small letter q. This is capital letter R. Now we search small letter r in the second row. J, L, N, I, P, R. Yes, this is small letter r. So we match capital letter R with small letter r.